the lesser of 0, and the greater of the negative of the sum of $9 million, 0, and $900,000, and the investor pro rata share at this tier of 90% times the $800,000 that the transaction produced. The greater of negative $9.9 million and negative $720,000 is the smaller of these two negative numbers, or $720,000. What the formula does is set constraints on the value that can populate the cell such that the line does not pay out more than it can given available cash flows, or should given the partnership structure in place. In other words, while the project generated $800,000 of cash flow and the investor target IRR payment in year 1 was $900,000, the distribution to the investor was limited to only the amount that would satisfy both the constraints of cash flow available and the proportional split of cash flows stipulated for Tier 1. In row 35, looks to see if there is any cash flow to the top level sponsor to determine at Tier 1 if there is any remaining cash to distribute to in fact flow to Tier 2. Again, beneath the final tier, Tier 5, we show a summary of the returns to the partner and sponsor and run an overall cash flow check and an IRR hurdle check. Take the time you need to look through this tab in detail as well. Flipping forward to tab 10, we see a way to organize all of the investments and returns to each of the three equity players.